How to enable or disable keyboard sound on Android phone. If you want to enable or disable the keyboard sound on your Android phone, it is fairly simple for us to do so. Now, first of all, it depends upon which Android phone you're using and which keyboard app does it have. In the case of my Samsung Galaxy device, it has its own Samsung keyboard. Now, most Android manufacturers actually use a Gboard or Google keyboard, so the settings might be different based on different type of phones. Either way, you first of all want to open the settings app on your Android and simply go to the option called General. In the case of my Samsung device, here I can go to General Management. Now here you can see different options, right? You can see customizations and so on. Or if I go to Samsung keyboard settings, I can tap on it, and here you can see more typing options. I can tap on typing options right here. I can select sound on Keypress. So there will be an option that says play a sound on Keypress, right? And if you want to select that, so you can see swipe, touch and feedback, select that. You can go to touch feedback, you can turn on sound, or you can disable sound. Now if you're not finding your keyboard settings, depending upon which keyboard you're using, try to open the keyboard. There you'll find the gear icon or the settings icon next to that keyboard. So tap on the settings icon there, and from there you should be able to go to your respective settings and be able to enable or disable the keyboard sound. This way you can enable or disable keyboard sound on Android phone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.